Hello, my name is Adam Recklow, and I'm the instructional designer for the Title III STEM grant. And today we're going to learn how to annotate using SharpPen software, an Adobe PDF, a Microsoft PowerPoint, and a Microsoft Word document. So to get started, we're going to open the Pen software, and here we have the whiteboard. So if you look to the left, you'll see the dashboard and the different tools. Right now you see that the black marker is highlighted, so when I start writing it'll be in black marker. So I'll write my name, and well, I don't really like it, so I want to get rid of it. What you can do is either click on the undo button, and that is the arrow that is going to the left, and that'll make it undo. Or, let me write my name again. You can click on the trash can, which is right above the black marker. Click on there, and you have a couple options. You can delete handwriting on this sheet or clear this sheet. Both of those will work. So I'm going to click on delete handwriting on this sheet, and that gets rid of it. So that's how you annotate on a whiteboard. Okay? So now we're going to go into overlay mode. If you look to the bottom left, you'll see a square with a orange glow around it, and to the right is two squares, one overlaying the other. That's overlay mode. So click on that, and then what I want to do is bring up a browser because I want to annotate on a website. So the website that comes up, this is the HCC STEM blog. So the dashboard is not up, so I'm not in overlay mode right now. So I will click on the pen software and the dashboard will come up, and now we're in overlay mode. So it is, the black marker is highlighted. Well, I want to use the red marker this time. So I'll click on the red marker and I will annotate with an arrow, and I will circle that and circle this. So make some annotations. Again, I don't like it. I can do the undo button, undo, undo, undo again, and that gets rid of it. Or make some more annotations, exclamation point, question mark. Okay, made some annotations, don't like it. I can click on the trash can, and this time I'm going to click on clear this sheet. So takes it off the screen. So that is how you annotate in overlay mode. So I'm going to close this down, close window, exit without saving, close this browser, and now we have a PDF. So here's a document, an Adobe PDF. If you're going to annotate on a PDF, then make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you don't have Acrobat Pro, then you won't get the tools that you need to annotate. So if you look at the top bar to the furthest right, you'll see comment. And there's different ways that you can add comments to the document, but let's say you're using your hand, using the smartboard, using the Sharp monitor, then you'll probably want to use this pencil that is under drawing markups. So let's annotate, conference here, circle here. So if you notice, every time I annotated, it created a list item. So I have two items under my comment list. So I don't like the arrow. I want to get rid of it. So I click on that comment, and this menu will come up, and I will click delete. Now, okay, I don't really like the circle either. So click on that. It will highlight it, and then I click delete, and that deletes the annotations that I made. If you wanted to save the annotations, you would go to File and Save like a normal PDF. I don't want to save these annotations. I don't want to save anything I did. So I'm just going to click no on that. Okay, PowerPoint. Going to open up a PowerPoint. When you're not in the slideshow mode, you can annotate by clicking on Review at the top and then click on Start Inking to the right. And I can start inking, I can change it, I can make it red, I can make it green, Christmas colors. So that is how you annotate when you're not in the slideshow mode. And if you want to get rid of it, you can either select the objects. So if you click on Select Objects to the left, I will select the object, backspace to delete it. Click on the object, backspace. Or I can use the eraser, click on Eraser, and use Medium Eraser. So I have Medium Eraser, and I'm going to take these out. Okay. So what about in slideshow mode? When you're in slideshow mode, this bar will come up. That is on the top left, it may be on the bottom left, but this bar will come up. Okay? So you have the marker feature right there already in the bar. So click on that and I'm annotating. The one benefit of using that particular mode of annotation is you can go through the slides and annotate and you have no problem. Still though, if you click on Pen next to the eraser, you can go to Pen, and now you're using the pen software again. And we're going to go into Overlay so that you can actually see what's going on. And I'm going to use the blue marker and I'm going to annotate like that. So the one disadvantage of this is you can't go from slide to slide. So you're probably not going to want to use this when you're in your classroom. Maybe if you just have one slide, then you could use overlay mode. So I'm going to click out of that window, save. We'll close without saving. I'm going to click on this again. And okay, I made a little annotation at the top. I don't like it. If you click on the eraser next to the marker, then you can click there, and it gets rid of it. Click here, get rid of it. Click here, get rid of it. You don't have to click through the whole thing to erase the whole thing. It'll automatically do that for you. Click here, get rid of it. Okay, so that is how you annotate on a PowerPoint presentation when you're in slideshow mode. So I want to get out of that. Click close, don't save. Okay, Microsoft Word. Here's another document. So if it's kind of same as the PowerPoint. So click on Review, click on Start Inking. And you don't really have that much freedom on this. You can change the color, change the thickness there. You can use highlighter, but I'm just going to click the pen and I'm going to annotate. And you kind of see it's different. You're not seeing it outside of the document. It's only on the document that the annotations are being made. So again, I don't like it. I'm going to click on the eraser tool and I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on that here and drag it, drag down and get rid of it like that. So that is how you annotate on a Microsoft Word document. So we learned how to annotate using the Sharpen software, how to annotate on a Adobe PDF document, how to annotate on a PowerPoint presentation when you're not in slideshow mode and when you are in slideshow mode, and also how to annotate on a Microsoft Word document. A lot of them are very similar, some are very different, but I hope this was helpful as you implement the Sharp monitor in your classroom, and as you learn how to annotate on those documents while you're teaching the class. If you have any questions about how to use this feature, then contact the ETIDS office at extensions either 6387 or 6388. Thank you again for watching this training, and I hope to help you with your course redesigns and implementing these new technologies in your classroom. Thank you.